Hi friends, welcome to SB Prediction UK 49's lunchtime and tea time prediction Tuesday 21 January 2025. Today UK 49's lunchtime prediction number Tuesday UK 49 lunchtime prediction first number 5, number 12, number 25, number 36, number 40. Booster number 28. Join YouTube channel membership 99% accurate prediction member only. Join YouTube channel membership now. Join only level 3 UK 49 3 hot number 99% accurate prediction 3 hot number. Join only level 3 UK 49 3 hot number. Join now. Like, share, comment and subscribe this YouTube channel now. Today UK 49 tea time prediction number. First number 7, number 16, number 24, number 38, number 44, booster number